Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have RAZER Hammerhead HyperSpeed headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So if you have any troubles with connecting your headphones, at first disable Bluetooth. To do so, go to Bluetooth and disable this. After some time, enable this Bluetooth again and check if you are done. If it's working for you, that's great, but if it isn't, you have to do a soft reset. To do a soft reset, close your case and open it back again. Now it should work. If it doesn't work for you either, you have to hold your fingers simultaneously on your touch panels for at least 2 seconds to turn your headphones off, and then do the same to turn them back on. And if it doesn't work for you too, you have to do a hard reset. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.